Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update. For today, I prepared for you gold market. I will speak about the Australian dollar versus US dollar and the Bitcoin. So I will start with the gold market first. So we spoke about that there was an important trend line that we marked to be actually a pretty important area here. And there was another trend line right there. Since we basically broke on Friday both trend lines, both supply trend lines, so we got a very strong close on it on the high on Friday. Today is expected either to be the consolidation day or a bullish continuation day towards the next reference points. So we got basically a strong two updays. Here, if you see 1 second update, and I basically see no reason for the gold not to revisit the 1830 area and 1834. Basically, we got a lows from mid-July, beginning of August, and beginning of September. So basically, cluster of the highs there, awaiting for the gold. Having that in information, basically, we can go to the lower time frames and eventually see what is happening in the lower time frames. Overall, we can see the higher highs and higher lows in the hourly. There's a strong upside cycle going on the gold. And so far, we're building some kind. We have the rising 20 moving average. And market is trying to build this higher low here. Okay, so I said, I'm thinking if the price can hold this 1812 zone, and if we break this consolidation in the next period, this high at 1818, we can definitely try to attack 1829, 1833, 1834. So definitely strong up cycle, the strong Friday's close. And this is a tight consolidation that we're building in the previous, even if you go like, I don't know, 30 minutes, you will find out we're building this consolidation here. Right, it's getting a very, very flat environment so far in the last few hours. If we can build that higher low, if we can set up that higher low, that will be, and we make a new high and we take 1880, that 1818, that will be a pretty good confirmation for further rallies. So watch for that kind of price action and confirmation there. Speaking of the Australian dollar versus US dollar, we got interesting situation as well there. Yeah, I got a 50-day moving average here. What happened on the Friday is that price basically went lower to test that 0.7357 and rejected back and basically closed near the opening. This rejection here is, I think it's a pretty clean rejection on the 50-day moving average. In the background, we got a nice rally here in the last 20-30 days. And this can be beginning of the recontinuation of the upside cycle. Now, we already got a higher high that we made for the day. Right there, you will see we're already establishing higher high, and the higher low is already in the play so far. So my expectation here is that there is a more potential room for the upside, and probably for the price to go towards this area of supply where we got big supply zone around 0.7450 and 0.7465 in the next period. I'm not saying that probably will happen today. Today we might just start at, but in the next days or so, we might see that rotation from this price about 40, 50 to 60 pips and to the upside. So watch for that kind of move. We can also go to hourly and see what is going on there. We can definitely see there was some contractions going on. Also in the most recent price action, there are contractions here. So we're building this contraction, so eventual breakout, and already start to poke up here a bit. Already, I think as long as this low can hold 0.7380 and eventually this major low at 0.7360, the more odds for the upside. So that can be a nice watch for potential bullish movement there. And just update on the Bitcoin. Obviously, we spoke about this in my previous forecast. I was expecting another good rally to happen here. Bitcoin made a 60% in about I don't know, about 20 days or so, made a pullback, undercut 1020, regained the power, and basically started to build a higher lows and getting very tight, and we got a breakout, and we're right now trying to retest 66,740, which is our primary level and objective. We're very close to that area. So definitely watch for something like that. The projection of this, if we project this 58% move of this low, let me show you here, or even actually 68%, project the same here of this pullback low. This might lead even, I mean, this is a just rough projection of this percentage move here, and it's around 83,000. But for now, let's focus on the major level here that we got, 66,900 zone, and we can basically say 67,000 mark. We almost hit that objective for our previous forecast, and depend what we see around this level, we will, and I will update you in tomorrow. And so that will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.